Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you how to limit your past posts. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, in this video I want to take you and show you how you can take your post and make them so nobody can share your posts off your wall. It'll be up to your own discretion on how you move forward with this. So what I want to do is, let's just go to my normal page, and you come down here and you'll see that it shows like, comment, and share. It'll take you into another account of mine. Let's go into here. And how you're going to do this is, see all these posts are the same. This is from my other account, so this is my wall. Let's go on to this wall. And you can come down here and you can see like, comment, and share. What you want to do is you want to come up here and hover over the pointer, left click it, and you want to drop down to settings. And now it's taken me a long time to investigate this, because I post this on Facebook and people would say all you have to do is just change your share button from the world to friends or friends of friends and it will limit it. No, it doesn't. It doesn't do that at all. That is false information. And I've seen other videos on YouTube that says that. It's false. It's taken me a little while to figure this out, and few searches I've done. And if you come over here and you look at search, over 1 billion people have searched this. So that's a huge number. So click at the top right of Facebook and then select settings. In this left column, click privacy. Look for the set limit, the audience for posts you have shared with friends or public, and click limit past posts to the far right. Easier said than done. I would never have known Facebook limit past posts. Who knows that? Nobody knows that unless you know exactly what you're looking for. And this is where I've come to find out about this, and it's taken me a long time, as I said. So they don't make it very easy for you to figure this out, and people are not informed properly and they're giving out false information. So we want to go back to the Facebook tab, and we want to come over here to the left hand side that says privacy. So you want to click on privacy, and then you're going to move over to the far right side, and where it's highlighted here, it says limit audience for posts you have shared with friends of friends or public. And so by clicking on this, something to read here, limit the audience of all past posts or all posts on your timeline. If you choose to limit, so this is, you have to figure if you want to do this or not. So if you choose to limit your past posts on your timeline that you have shared with friends of friends and public posts, you will now be shared only with friends. Anyone tagged in these posts and their friends may also still see these posts. If you want to change who can see specific posts, you can go to that post and choose a different audience. So by clicking this button that says past posts, every time you share now, if you want to enable others to share your post, you have to click public. If you have it just for friends, nobody will be able to share your posts, and I'm going to prove this to you. So let's click on limit past posts. You are about to limit all past posts on your timeline. The only way to undo this will be to change the audience of each post one at a time, as I said to you just a second ago. So let's go limit past post. The audience for the selected content has been changed. Close. So let's just go to my wall here. And let's take this, and I'm going to share this. I'm just going to put in, going to change public. Put it to friends. And just go. Gratitude. And I'm going to go post. So that has been shared on my timeline. We could just update it here. And in here it still enables the share section here, right? So let's go out of this account. And let's go back into my personal account. And I want to do a search for socks. There we go. And then we're going to click on socks Hickey. We're going to scroll down. And you see how there's no share button anymore? It's gone. So that I can come in here and I can like it. I can come in here and make a comment about it, but I can't share it. So it just gives you a little bit more privacy on who you want to allow sharing your content. I know people just share whatever they want to share, and sometimes they don't give people a 5-up on who's creating it or who created it. So this gives you full control over who can share it and who cannot share it. So if we wanted to put that back, we would have to go into that other account. Go into Socks Hickey. Okay, what we want to do now is just go down. We're going to put a photo in here. Now we have a photo here. Oh, it was already saved. So I have a photo in there and I want to share it. And if you wanted to share it with friends that nobody else can share, you're going to put it as just friends down here. You can put it as public, friends, or friends except don't show to some friends. You can customize to your liking or whatever. We're just going to leave it as friends, and the share button will not come up. So let's go and click share. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this works. Let's go out of this account. Go back into my original account. And I'm sure it's here. So, oh, there it is right there. So just now, Socks Hickey, and you can like it and you can comment on it, but you have no share button. It's gone. Okay, so now let's go out of here and go back into Socks Hickey. Now by doing this, I'm just showing you how this is working. Since we've hit the limit past post, when you're sharing it to friends, it removes the share button. Sharing it public, it enables you to allow others to share your post. Now, somebody prior to me said, yeah, just use, just go from public to friends. Well, you can't do that unless you set it up properly in the limit past post, and you click that option and go through what we just did. Otherwise, it will not work. People are not properly informed. They're giving false information out. So now let's just do another post. And of course, you're probably seeing share here. Well, on my other wall, the share is gone. Because this is the home base of this account, it's going to always have a share for your account. So let's just go in here. We're going to click the same let's click this picture. We'll wait for that to populate. And now we're going to come down here to where it says your friends, left click on there, and you're going to go up to public. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to click share. And then once again it shows the share button here. But let's go out of this account. Go back into my original account. And there it is. See the share button there? Now Socks Hickey has full control over how he allows others to share his content off of his wall. So by going in and posting a post, we'll just do another one here. And let's do this. And we can just come in here and we can click on these AA and change the color. And we can go woo hoo. Come down here and put some emojis in. Let's just put a couple smileys and then click there. And we're going to change this to friends. Then we're going to go share. Then we're going to go out of here. Go back into Steven. And there it is. Like and comment. The share button's gone. So I've taken you through. I've shown you how to change the settings. Limit past posts. And by doing that and then fluctuating between friends and public, it enables you to remove your share button, whatever content that you are wanting to share with your friends or whoever. And if you want them to share that content, then they'll have the share button on there. Okay, so I'm sure you found this helpful to you. Now you can move forward, and it's a step whether you want to click every time from friends to public and enable take the control in your own hands who you want to allow share your content, or you just don't care, then this video was not for you. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology.